Hello friends, in this particular episode, we will see what are the fundamental rights as well as what are the fundamental duties which are mentioned in the Constitution of Guatemala. Let us see fundamental rights. Everyone equal before law. Men and women have equal rights and freedom. Right to life and liberty. Right to property. Right to protect one's own image. Freedom of press. Right to privacy. Free access to tribunals. Right to information. Right of education. Right to freedom of thought and expression. Accused is presumed innocent till proved guilty. Right to fair hearing in civil and criminal matters. Right to liberty of movement. Right of assembly and peaceful protest. Right to have family. Right of children. Right to equal pay for equal work. Right of access to archives. Freedom of forming association. Right to petition, right to work, right to strike in accordance with law, right to protect culture, right to bear arms, right of inheritance, right of minor and elderly for food, health, education and security, right of adoption, right to protect natural heritage. Government would give protection to ethnic groups. Right to social security. Right to choose occupation. Right to reasonable standard of living. Right to rest and leisure. Right to join trade union. Right to shelter. Right to opt for public employment. Now we will see what are the fundamental duties. Business owners have obligation to establish and maintain school, daycare center and cultural center for their workers and school population in accordance with law, to serve and defend the country, to contribute for public expenditure as per prescribed law, to keep respect for the authorities, to register with the registry of citizens, to opt for public offices. So friends, these were certain fundamental rights and duties which are mentioned in the Constitution of Guatemala. In our next episode, we will see what is the judiciary in Guatemala. Thank you.